Don't throw away the used oil cans at home. You can become a master of growing eggplants. First, we find a few empty oil bottles or large water bottles. Cut the bottom with a knife. Then, using our hole punching tool, an electric soldering pen, make small holes around the sides of the bottle for ventilation and drainage. Next, take some iron wire and fold it in half. Bend the two ends with pliers to form hooks. Thread the hooks through the bottle so they can hang on a pole. If you don't have iron wire, you can replace it with a tougher rope. Once hung, we take the eggplant seedlings we've prepared in advance. Cut open the disposable cup and carefully remove the seedlings along with the soil. Next, use one hand to hold the seedling while using the other hand to shovel soil into the bottle. You don't need to fill it completely, just up to halfway of the bottle. The soil should ideally be a mix of pre-fermented fertilizer and soil. But if you don't have that, you can use pre-mixed nutrient soil. After 20 days, you will noticeably see the growth of the eggplant seedlings. Place some wooden pieces between the bottle and the main stem of the eggplant to prevent obstruction of its growth. After 45 days, the leaves of the eggplant seedlings will have fully spread out, and they will have grown significantly. The main stem will also start to become woody. At this point, you'll also notice that the eggplant seedlings have begun to develop flower buds. Old and damaged leaves will consume nutrients, so it's necessary to trim them at this stage. After 65 days, the early flower buds will have turned into small eggplants, and each plant will have successfully borne fruit. This means that this method of planting is definitely viable to help the eggplants grow better and bigger. We need to water and fertilize them in small, frequent amounts. Provide them with enough nutrients. After 90 days, the purple eggplants will be hanging fully from the branches, and you'll have harvested a full basket of them. Green, pollution-free eggplants. And the best part is, they're grown by yourself, which gives you a great sense of accomplishment.